welcome to another Baddie business meeting. In today's meeting, I'm going to show you guys how to fix thin lip gloss. You see, this is where we should have stopped, but let's say if we make a mistake and put too much oil in it, I'm going to show you guys how to get it back to the right consistency. So boom, we add in more oil than we should have just to get it to super thin, super runny. You do not want your lip gloss super thin like this, super runny. This is good if you wanted to create more pigment. This could be used as pigment to, this could be used to stretch the pigment. But you want your lip gloss to be a good consistency. You don't want it running off the spoon too fast. You don't want it running off the spoon too slow. You want it to be a good consistency. And this is not even lip gloss at this point. So boom. Okay, so you want to do your proportions. If you don't have a recipe, you want to start off little by little. So we are going to add more Versagel to this runny mess that we made. Okay, so we're gonna add Versagel, but we're gonna add a little at a time because we don't want to make it too thick. So we're gonna start off with this little bit, and then we're gonna mix it in and see where this gets us. And when you add Versagel, you want to add just plain Versagel, not clear lip gloss that's already mixed with oils. You want to add just plain Versagel, because if it's lip gloss already mixed with oils, then you're kind of being counterproductive here. And you see, it didn't get me to where I want it to be, so I'm adding a little bit more Versagel. You want to start out with a little at a time, because you can always add more, but you cannot take away. So boom, we're gonna mix that in, and there you have it. This is how you fix runny or thin lip gloss. You just add more Versagel to thicken it back out. It's really simple, y'all. When I first started, like, I was making it so hard on myself, but I knew someone out there would probably have this question like I did. So hopefully this helped you guys. If you guys enjoyed this Baddie business meeting, let me know in the comments so I can continue to push out these type of meetings. If there is a specific meeting you would like for me to call, let me know. And if you would like to catch more of the Baddies vibe, you can on Instagram at RoyalBaddie, YouTube RoyalBaddie. And if you would like to see what goes on behind the scenes at RoyalBaddieCosmetics, you can check out our Instagram page, RoyalBaddieCosmetics, and go check out our website, RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com. Until next time, Royal family, meeting adjourned. Bye.